I know. Hi, thank you for calling. My name is Brando. How may I hold you? Have you help? How may I help you? By the way, may I know your name, please? Is that G for Jesus? H for hot dog? A for alpha? R for Armalite? Y for Wi-Fi? Y for Yema? And then the last letter would be V, as in vegetables. Okay, so I see here that you wanted to know the status of your kwan. Okay, may I have its tracking number, please? Oh, don't worry, I can wait. Take your time. Okay, for this, may I put you on hold for 1 to 2 business minutes? Hi, Gary V, I'm back. Thank you for calling. As I check our information, I see that there is no information. I'll put a note on your account that you already found it, okay? Fear problem. No welcome. Is there anything else pa? Wow, that's good! And thank you for calling Chubanas Customer Service and have a great care. Hoy, Brando! Change your off! Mag-usap tayo.